Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demonstrating a 13-inch MacBook battery removal the easy, fast way without using any heat. Much safer and a lot faster. Can't damage anything. Takes it off clean. You can pull the battery out in under 10 minutes. Let's begin. We use something called contact cleaner. You can buy this locally or overseas. Let's begin. Use quite a bit of it and firmly press into with a flat ply tool. Firmly press. Keep moving it. As you can see, within just about 10 seconds it's off. Move on to the next one. Make sure you put a decent amount of spray. Next one off. Move on to the next one. Don't be afraid to push, because the glue will then cut through the battery and remove the tape from underneath. When you get stuck at any point, stop and spray again. These top batteries come from downwards up. There'll be a plate underneath that you must, so you don't damage the trackpad. It's not an issue. The spray can still go inside and won't damage anything. And there you go, guys. MacBook battery removed in 2 minutes. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around.